So today we are at Curb to do the opening of the Illustrated City. The main idea of this event is that we are Curb Center for Architecture and Urbanism, and the idea is that we will talk about our city. We've invited Winky to be the artist to do the illustration. Counted with the support of Ponte, which is the venue where we are, and also with the New Women Development Association of Macau in the curatorship of the artists with us. And the main idea is that our city is made for many citizens, by many citizens, and we want to do a collective work that somehow represents this city that is made with many hands.
This city is built by citizens, and we have very brilliant local talents and in females, and also everyone can be your own talents, as well as for this illustrated city.
今次特意咁創作咗18米嘅一個城市嘅全。其實點解會用呢個視覺嚟到完成呢？因為咧平時我就喺街上面行嘅時候咧，會見到好多人或者建築物嘅，咁我就將今次呢個概念結合埋一齊，令到所有嘅參觀者咧都可以喺畫面上面加入自己嘅元素，加入自己嘅樣貌啦，放入去令到整張畫啦更加有趣嘅。